In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make quick money on Pumpfun. Before we get into it, it's important to understand what kind of platform Pumpfun is. This is a fast-moving meme coin environment on Solana where prices can rise quickly and fall just as fast. That means there is potential for quick profits, but there is also very high risk. A lot of tokens lose value rapidly, so the goal here is not to treat this casually. You need to stay alert, move carefully, and avoid emotional decisions. One of the main approaches people use is day trading existing coins. The basic idea is simple. Try to get in early on momentum, then sell before the excitement fades and the token drops. To begin, go to Pumpfun and start researching trending coins. Many traders also use tools like BullX or Photon to identify coins early, sometimes before they get broader attention. When you're looking through coins, focus on signs of activity. Rising transaction volume can show growing interest, and an active community can be a sign that the coin is gaining attention. You're not just looking for any token that exists. You're looking for one that already has momentum building around it. Once you find a coin, be careful about your entry. A common mistake is buying right at the top of a sudden spike because of fear of missing out. Instead, look for a pullback. That means the price jumps sharply, then briefly dips before potentially moving higher again. In many cases, that small dip can offer a better entry than chasing the peak. Patience matters here because timing can make a big difference in a market this volatile. After you enter a trade, set take profit levels early. This is extremely important. On Pumpfun, greed can ruin an otherwise good trade. A practical approach is to sell part of your position once the price has gone up enough to cover your initial investment. For example, after a strong move such as doubling your money. That way, you reduce risk while still keeping some tokens in case the price continues higher. You also need to understand the bonding curve. Every Pumpfun token starts on this pricing system, and the price changes according to how much buying activity the token gets. If a coin reaches roughly a $69,000 market cap, it can graduate and move to a decentralized exchange like Radium. Many traders watch this closely and try to buy lower on the bonding curve, then sell as the token gets close to that migration point. The key to this strategy is discipline. Find trending coins, wait for a smarter entry, secure profits instead of chasing endlessly, and understand where the bonding curve may create opportunity. That's the foundation of making quick moves on Pumpfun.